Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix blurry pictures on X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is check in your Wi-Fi connection. So to do that, open up your browser and then tap on the search bar and then type in speedtest.net. And once you're inside here, tap on go and check to see if your Wi-Fi connection is strong or not. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi connection also might be causing the issue that you are facing. So just switching up to the stronger Wi-Fi connection will fix the issue. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to the App Store and on the search bar simply type in X or Twitter and then tap on the app. Check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.